Hi guys, there we have yet another random contest on CodeChef. To be honest, I did not plan to participate in this, but then yeah, the plan was to make like a video today with tips how to practice, like what I did wrong in my practice and what I don't do wrong anymore. So a bit more metaphysical ideas, but yeah, I did not finish preparing the text completely, so today we have just some random contests on CodeChef. I don't think that these are like very high level problems, but some practice always helps. So apparently the setter sign is the same people. I hope it's like this time it is the problems will have statements and not like this the previous time. Okay, apparently at least problems have names, which already helps. Since Valentine's Day is approaching, Ritik wants to buy roses to his girlfriend. Natural behavior. He goes to a flower shop to buy roses. Natural behavior. There are roses kept in a line. Not natural behavior. Roses are kept in like bags, right? Each rose has a happiness content related to it. Okay. Only continuous sections. Okay. Maximum happiness. Maximum subarray, right? I don't even remember like what is expected way. I think we also have some test cases. Actually, there should be a constraint on sum of values of n over the input, because otherwise it's insoluble. I mean, expected solution works in linear. Oh, okay. Expected solution works in linear time. What kind of unsolvable do I mean? I think we are supposed to compute prefix sums starting with 0, then we do like partial from a begin to a end, back inserter. That's the way to compute partial sums if you want to like include 0 segments. He always can shift value of 0. I believe there will be no overflow, so okay. Or actually, what do we want? We want like minimum value on prefix. Okay. Again, 0 initial. Want to update min prefix, update max subsegment. Doesn't matter on which order we update, I believe. I don't know. Well, let's say the same thing, just with input. I again did not type compilation flags, but it obviously somewhat particular. Okay. I'm not smart with these people. supposed to return 7. It returns 7. I think this is the way. This is the way to do it. Because this way, like we always know, select optimal subsegment, because like we try all possible endpoints, and for each endpoint, optimal start is the minimum that we've seen so far. Yes, it is indeed correct. Oh, so we did not start apparently with the first problem, because did we start like with the last problem or what? Okay, repeat loss primes, develop an hash function, okay, for custom hash map. Okay, select random prime modulo, we will be good. Final prime numbers between two given numbers. Okay. Whoa, wait, it's too much. Okay. Now my first intention was to make Redis fence sieve, but with such constraints, it does not pass. So probably, are we good to like, or actually we want to print all prime numbers, right? Let's see. Yeah, because I will mess up names if I don't change. Because yeah, I would say that n is smaller and m is bigger. The difference is not huge, right? So we should make use of it. Can we factorize numbers in log? Yeah, we can factorize numbers in square root. Input numbers are up to 1 billion. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Let's do something stupid. So we can't factorize every number in square root, but what we can do instead is the following. Uh, I mean, it should work. Actually, how to, okay. And this is never prime. This is never a prime. Right? Actually, wait, like what are... Okay. I think I got it. Like we can make Redis fence sieve for small prime divisors. Each such number will have a prime divisor which is at most 100,000. Then we just check. No, we again make sieve, some sort of like this sieve. But here we only want like to do it if D is prime itself, because otherwise it's too much work. So all of this makes sense only if we want to, like, first one thing that we want to do is we want to update this, right? The second thing that we want to do, we want to update this part. Here we don't care about this. I can do it like at the same time, okay. No, we can't do it. Like if D is 2, then we will iterate all. Okay, not a big deal. Like here we want to start actually with something like low divided by D multiplied by D. That we like we guarantee that we start approximately at low. It is I don't know. Is this it? No, we want to output every prime number. Okay. Like that. I don't know, just some random algorithm. Should work, but I'm a little bit suspicious about my ability not to make typos and things like this. Same thing with zeros, right? Yeah, something went wrong. To be honest, I don't know what went wrong. We read 1, we read 10. Let's say, like, how many numbers from 1 to 10? 10 minus 1 plus 1, 10. We start with all true. Then we loop through all possible divisors. Actually, what happened to the internet? That's not good. Oh. Okay, something strange. Okay, whatever. If current number is prime, then it makes sense to do all of this. What we do here is like we start with b squared as usual in Euclid, right? Oh, we can have troubles like when this is squared, right? When this is, yes. It should not be a major issue, but maybe it is. Okay, no, it's strange, it's not working. Which part is not working? Like this part should work. No, this part is already not working. How is that not working? Wait a second. I don't understand. Okay, how about 33,000? Will you like it more? Here it's necessary, I believe. Oh, whoa. Interesting. Why would that happen though? Like, divisor should not be okay. It's almost okay. It should be 1 plus 1, right? Second sample is wrong. From 3 to 5, we have like actually this part we can do once per all test cases, right? This is a regular arithmetic sieve, right? And here we say like if prime, then go here. Still not working. So is prime large at 3 at 5 is wrong. Right. What I was doing. One is not a prime number, I forgot about it. Let's make how I did not say file, but it's okay. 1 to 100. No, it should be to 100. I think this is correct. That's, to be honest, I don't like know. From 900 to 1000. That's more interesting. We can use Wolfram alpha, right? So answer requires so 900, 7, 11, 19, 29, 37, 41, 47, 53, 67, 71, 77, 83. Okay, I'm still not confident that we are not doing anything wrong, but it should be okay at least on time, because like this sieve on this range, okay. Good thing that we tested it on the bigger inputs. Oh my. I did not expect actually that was a good problem. Congratulations to you guys. You have great problems, what can I say? Win the battle. Whatever. We have some number of walls, some soldiers. to the leftmost piece of lower rank and then. Okay, so soldiers go like leftmost is non-descending. Middle soldier. Ah, up to middle. Okay, so we have like mountain array. Good. It's a very strange way to describe mountain array, but it's okay. Okay, so we have rotated mountain array. Are we supposed to find the index of middle or what? I don't understand. So for each wall, okay, it's a very bad way to phrase your statements, but I think I got what they meant. We have some walls, we want to process them in a while loop. People, let me know down in the comments if you understand the problem, because it's, never mind, it's okay, it happens. Oh, bro. So we have soldiers. There must be a better way to find it, of course. Lower or too low? Too low. Too lower is not a match. Let me check. It should be a function and not a method. Wait. Huh. Oh, thank you, CPP reference. Because now I got the power. Not exactly like this. My stuff. So element. Okay, so we just want to find the maximum in the string, convert it to lower and output its index. So actually we did not want to do that, but we want to output whatever is the distance between s begin, max element of s, and plus 1. Problems can be better. Laura is not a member of STD. I absolutely agree. Huh? But here it is. Okay. He can't find. Sure, because I did not copy it. It's really annoying how they have empty lines. I know it does not bother C++, but still. Should choose 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This was very confusing problem statement, but it's more or less expected when the guys set their first or second contest. I mean, it's a good fun anyways. Good time, so sound guys. Wow, that's bad. It must mean that I did not understand the problem correctly. And it's not great. Not great. I'm not sure that I understand the problem statement. We find max letter in the string, we find distance from the beginning of the string. We add 1 because ren like this indices start with 1. What can go wrong? Like we guarantee that max string is exactly 1. I don't know what's wrong with that problem. I would like to have a better problem statement. Sorry guys, I will come back to it later. We have two friends. They want to buy some chocolates, which sold at price 0 rupees per chocolate. X, Y, each girl will buy as many chocolate as they can using only her money. Okay. Okay. No, okay, so what do I want? I don't. Yes, let's start with input format first. Oh, okay, like legend is okay. First number line contains number of test cases. Okay. Then we have 3 longs. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Print maximum possible number of chocolates the girls can buy and minimum number of chocolates. Also, maximum and minimum number of rupees one girl has to give to her to that. Okay. So We can start by doing this. No matter how many are distributed, this is okay. Now, oh, actually, I want also a result, right? If this is enough to buy one more chocolate, it can't be more than one. They can't improve by more than one. What do we want to output then? What is the output format? Okay. By the way, I have no idea like why they separated into two test cases if they at the beginning say like, hey, we have like test cases and then provide inputs without like in different input files. We'll ignore this fact. It was to confuse us, to forget, but anyway. Right. Here the answer is R. And here the answer is minimum of this two. We should get 3170. Forgot a space. Oh, space is not here. Okay. Space here? No, yes. Okay. It's okay. Like problems like the previous one sometimes happen. I mean, we were pretty accurate. We used long integers. Okay. They agree that we were accurate. Final time we copy template. This actually has extra zero at the beginning, which is not nice. No input files, no sample test cases. What? Okay, actually, it's more interesting. Computer lab and computers. Computers are interconnected with each other. Okay, so we have a graph. Second line contains A, B, whatever. Is this like a source and destination, or what is this? Man, I hope that your computers are numbered 0 to. Where are the constraints on I and J? Am I supposed like to make an ordered map? Okay. It's okay. Just in case. Bidirectional, one directional. Lol, this antivirus sounds like a weird virus, right? Yeah. It's one antivirus cost A and one wire cost B. Okay. The reason why we do like this is because we don't know whether or not the numbers of computers are like good. We want to find number of connected components. If wire is cheaper, then we connect everything together. If wire is here, antivirus is cheaper, else wire. Uh, Again, very inconvenient that they do not provide input formats. Oh, here, yes, okay. Not resize, but reserve. Because I don't want my unordered map to like graph several times to reallocate memory. We'll do it here. Here are no test cases. Okay. I will output anyways. I hope they don't break my unordered map. We just want to find number of components, to be honest. Nothing intellectual here. In a graph at vertex, if not u at adjacent, dfs from ju adjacent. Let's say we have three, okay. So we have 5 computers and 6 wires, and the prices are 10 per antivirus and 1 per wire. So we should like connect everything, right? And connections that we have, they are like, these are 3 connections, and then we have, okay. So, no, actually, let's make 6 vertices and 5 edges. We have an extra 0, which is very annoying. I said auto, no? I completely agree. Not good. NMAB, right? NMAB. Wait, actually, this is like really stupid because there may be computers that are not like connected to us. So real components count is different. Like some vertices are not given in the input, may not be given in the input, right? We should start like this. But also I don't understand like what is wrong. My code stops without any. Okay, so I think it's like DFS, right? Okay. So it is DFS. Is it because we iterate like this and not like this? No, it still dies. Okay. We see outgoing edges from vertex if adjacent edge is not. Maybe we were supposed to like doing this. I'm not sure. I don't think it matters. Should not matter. Should not matter. Still something is wrong. 11 because we want to buy one antivirus. Well, actually, yeah, this test case should be 12, right? And because we have like isolated component of 7, we have this component, which is also a loop. Want to test for loops. Now, if we change prices, then the answer should be 3. Because we have 3 connected components. Okay. And it does not matter where we put equality case. Okay. Solving problem without samples. Great. Let's read through this problem again because I don't exactly understand. Maybe this was a bad idea. Do we know anything about SI? Who is great, who is not? And the problem is that it's not. Let's actually output S to make sure that we understand everything correctly. To convert to lower correctly. And we do, and we do. We do, and I don't understand. I don't understand. Like, apparently we are number of soldiers. Okay, I don't need number of soldiers, to be honest. Like, here's the max is third. Here's the max is third. Here's the max is second. Here's the max is first. Why it's not the max element? I don't understand. Do people actually solve it, or is there some bug? I don't understand. Yeah, okay, but how to solve that problem? I don't understand. Can I please see how many people actually? Oh, I can. Yes, there is some bug with that problem. You see, like nobody submitted it. Nobody. We also have a lot of people who solved 4 problems, so that's not really interesting. So there is some bug, right? Let's make a guess. What is their possible bug? So they make a bug, right, in their solution. I don't think we can do it like this during the contest. Okay, so they make some bug. Because of that bug, this solution does not work. So this converts. Maybe they have extra symbols that should not matter, but they matter in their solution. I mean, it's possible, right? You should check if it is the case. Not great. So actually, like, is capital E like strongly greater than small e? The fuck? Sorry, I mean, if it what it is, I think, then they are whatever. It happens. It happens. It's okay. They are good people. They try. to help us. They create good problems. Actually, well, okay. This is necessary. This almost in this necessary is J. Because these are uppercase, right? And one possible case for that is if we have EE, BBA, right? And we want to get index 2 in the very last. What happens? Like, I don't trust myself. We'll do it this way. We should get 2 in the last example, because max index is like this. We should be getting 2, okay. This is the only reasonable explanation that I see. If this does not work, then maybe the checker is simply broken. People, I don't know. Do you know? I think their checker is broken. Because like nobody saw this. Okay. I mean, we already like make sure that we select like uppercase character out of 2 if it's not unique. So yeah, I just don't understand what I'm expected to print. People, I don't know. What else I'm supposed to do? If they have questions like that, man, it feels like almost like I am testing this contest before it gets released, and I just can't figure out like, what kind of mistake they made. I don't understand what is like the purpose of rotating. There is no purpose. Like you can find. I suggest that they wanted us to find like maximum quicker, but it doesn't matter because input size. Like here, input is slower than find minimum, so it does not matter. Or maybe they have mistakes in their code, which is checking like for in some binary or ternary search, some sort of ternary search. Yeah, honestly, I mean, we should ask for clarification. But I'm not sure that we can ask. We can. Okay, so I don't understand what we are like supposed to ask here. So I'll just ask something like that. I mean, it it said that it supports mentions, but it did not. Did I do anything wrong? I mean, like clearly something is wrong because first four problems were not difficult. And now we are having problems with one problem. Obviously something is wrong. By the way, how many oh, so wow, that's kind of not fun. I mean, oh, he must be stuck on that problem. He must skip it. He does not realize. Must. I guess like nothing interesting will happen since here because we clearly have unresolved issue. I will stick around just in case I fix it, but you got the idea. So yeah, I think we don't no longer need this. And also, oh, okay, this is more natural. So sometimes participating in like not exactly tested contests can be fun. Sometimes it is not that fun. But you know, if people don't try and don't like try certain contest, then how do they learn, right? Well, they can learn from like more experienced problem setters, but it's kind of difficult process. So yeah, it's good that people try to set problems, to set contests, right? Uh, and I think that our feedback on that contest will help them prepare better next time, because like the author of this problem is 2-star CodeChef user, I believe, and I'm like 5-star. So maybe my experience is of some use. I don't know, like maybe. So yeah, these kinds of contests are not particularly like useful once you're at some high level, but as a beginner, totally fine. You make sure that you can like implement everything. Uh, Also, it says no tiebreakers, so it's a bit sad because we don't know our exact rank. Like we know that we solved 4 problems and 73 more people solved 4 problems. It's not exactly helpful. I'm not sure why they have like this. I don't understand why it did not mention him. It does not support mention. Maybe it supports admin mention. No, it does not support admin mention. Anyways, like we tried all we could. So yeah, if you have nothing to do, you can participate in something like that, but be ready for it to be poorly prepared. But at some point, I mean, if these people continue setting contests that are bad, then like nobody will participate. So at some point, they will get better, right? Uh, I think that's all I wanted to say for today. So yeah, thanks for watching, I guess, and goodbye.